Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So I decided to do another mukbang in light of National Donut Day, which was a couple days ago, and we got some donuts from Krispy Kreme. So I didn't go for a dozen because they didn't have any fun donuts. They were just pretty boring and basic. So I just got the donuts that looked the most cutest. I didn't realize how many chocolates I got, unfortunately. Ooh, the lighting is so ugly. I'm gonna try to do that's my thumbnail. Okay, so for those of you, let's try to hold it like this. Okay, I need to get a little stand. So if you guys are wondering, Krispy Kreme, I don't know, I guess they're like everywhere. So each donut was $1.60. So if you guys don't know, this is cake batter right here, this yellow one. This is just a glazed chocolate. This is a strawberry and it has a little strawberry filling inside. This is just a regular chocolate glazed with sprinkles on it. A strawberry with sprinkles, and then a chocolate cake, which is like my all-time favorite. And here is the receipt if you guys like looking at that stuff. It's pretty cheap. I mean, $10. It's not too bad. Gotta have some water. Woo! Gotta have some water. Okay, so I don't know where to start. See, the thing that sucks is I'm not really sure. I feel like that's too far away, so I'll just bring the donut up. Okay, I don't know where to start. Let's see. Let's do cake batter. Cake batter is so delicious and it's so good. I don't know if you guys can see the cream coming out that side. Ooh. Okay. There you go. My God. Look at that. Literally so good. I don't like how I look so red. Oh my gosh. That was so good. You know what I love the most? We're gonna take a bite of this chocolate glazed. I'm also happier that I didn't get a dozen, because I know I would eat them all. I just have to. So good. That big piece of chocolate. Donuts are literally the best. I don't care what kind of donut they are. I will always love donuts. They're so good. Especially Krispy Kreme donuts. The Krispy Kreme over here in Burbank, they make the best donuts. I'm taking another bite of this cake batter. Oh my God. Cake batter. If you guys haven't tried cake batter, get it, please. I'm pretty sure you will not be disappointed. It's literally so good. Okay, so let's take a bite of this cute little strawberry. They had like, on the website there was a pineapple one and then a key lime one, but it wasn't there when I went, which is another reason why I didn't get more. So here we go. This is gonna be our first bite of the strawberry. It's okay. I'm not a fan of this, but I'm gonna eat it anyway to be a good sport. It's like the hard sugar candies. Not a fan of that. There's a strawberry jelly inside. I don't know. That literally just tastes like jam that you put on toast. My other favorite, the chocolate frosted cake. This right here with some milk. Ooh. She's so good. Diet who? We don't know you, girl. You know what, guys? I believe if you stick to your diet, and this doesn't have to be a diet, if you just eat clean, you should be able to reward yourself however the hell you want to. Do what makes you happy. And that's the only way to do it. Just keep on doing what makes you happy, boo. Whew. Okay, let's do the strawberry. Cute, huh? Ooh, I gotta catch my breath, girl. I'm about to have a stroke. See, I'm not really a fan of the strawberry. It has a really weird flavor to it. Almost as if it's like a not real ice, almost as if it's not really strawberry. It's like a weird icing. It's really weird. The strawberry donut tastes more strawberry than this strawberry. Ooh. And then this cutie patootie little chocolate sprinkle. Yeah, zoom in, honey. Ew. That was weird aftertaste. I'm like the worst mukbanger ever, huh? Look at how pretty sprinkles make donuts. Yeah, so definitely my favorite one, those are the donuts now. Ooh, snap. Those are them now. I would say my favorite, definitely, is cake batter. I love cake batter. And then second favorite is the chocolate cake. I would say the fourth is this fake strawberry. And the fifth would be this chocolate sprinkle, the chocolate glazed sprinkle. And then the last one would be this nasty strawberry. Oh yeah, and then I totally forgot I had that other chocolate glaze that I just completely dusted. Yeah, that's nasty. That was gross. I don't know what filling they put in there, but it is so nasty. You know when you're like trying to burp, but like you're kind of scared because you don't want to throw it? Yeah, that's me. Whew. Child, that's what I needed. Yuck. Let's say bye to this girl right here. She is dusted. We're gonna finish this queen off right here. The chocolate cake. You know when you eat a lot of sugar and like you start to feel sick? That's this girl right here. Whew. I'm like scared to take another bite. And like mentally prepare myself. I don't really eat like this, honestly. It's just a treat. If I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna go all out. So I'm pretty happy that I didn't get a dozen donuts, because that would have been so disgusting. This was like the worst video ever. You couldn't even see what I was eating. I'm gonna do the strawberry one. Take a couple bites of this chocolate. I can't do it anymore. I'm not farting, I'm literally scooting up. Just FYI. I don't want people to be like, ew, you farted. No, girl. That was good. And look, I have pimples on my face because we've been eating so bad lately, but that's okay because we're happy. We're living life. Whew. Excuse me. That was just that one time I'll allow that because I never burp. Yeah. I'm like, ooh. I don't know. Only once in a while, it's a good treat. I just couldn't eat like this every day. That was bomb though. I ain't even gonna lie. I enjoyed that. Pretty sure everybody likes donuts. If you don't like donuts, you're a liar. I hope you guys had some donuts for National Donut Day. What's today's date? Yeah, so it's a couple days ago. In the comments, write down what your favorite kind of donut is and where you get your donuts from. I know there's Krispy Kreme, there's Yum Yum Donuts, there's Dunkin' Donuts, and then I'm pretty sure there's one more like major donut place. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite donut place is and what your favorite donuts are. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.